Right now, inside you, trillions of tiny living organisms are hard at work. And they may be quietly shaping your digestion, your immune system, and even your mood. Scientists call this hidden world your microbiome. It might be one of the most powerful and most ignored parts of your entire health. And here's the problem. For most people, it's a quiet starvation. The good news? You can transform it, starting with your very next meal. Today, I'll show you what this hidden organ actually is, why it controls so much more than you'd think, and the one simple thing it's begging you for. Welcome! This is episode 1 of our new series on gut health. Stay with me, because there's a genuinely surprising connection between your gut and your mood, and I'll reveal the number 1 food your gut is starving for. Let's meet the ecosystem inside you. So what exactly is this? Living mostly in your large intestine are trillions of bacteria and other tiny microbes. Together, they're called your gut microbiome. The best way to picture it is as a garden or an ecosystem living inside you. And here's the first myth to drop. These aren't germs to fear. The vast majority are helpful, essential partners that do real work for your body every single day. The goal isn't to wipe them out, it's to feed the good ones so they thrive. Now, why should you care about a garden of bacteria? Because it quietly runs 3 huge parts of your health. First, digestion. Your gut bacteria help break down food and even produce certain vitamins your body needs. Second, your immune system. A remarkably large share of your immune system, by many estimates around 70%, lives in and around your gut. Your bacteria help train it to tell friend from foe. And third, the one I promised you, your mood. Your gut and your brain are in constant conversation along what scientists call the gut-brain axis. In fact, most of your body's serotonin, a key feel-good chemical, is actually made in your gut. It's why your gut is sometimes called your second brain, and why a growing body of research links gut health to how we feel. So what starves this garden? Mostly the modern way of living, ultra-processed foods, too much sugar, and above all, a diet far too low in fiber. Add in things like unnecessary antibiotics, chronic stress, and poor sleep, and the diversity of your good bacteria shrinks. A starved garden becomes a weedy one. Which brings us to what your gut is truly starving for: fiber. If you watched our carbs episode, you'll remember fiber as the hero. And here's its other superpower. The fiber you can't digest, your good bacteria can. It's their favorite food. When your bacteria feast on fiber, they produce special compounds called short-chain fatty acids that nourish the lining of your gut and help calm inflammation throughout your body. Feed your bacteria fiber, and they reward you. And most people are getting nowhere near enough. But here's the deeper secret. It isn't one magic food. It's variety. Different bacteria thrive on different types of fiber, so the more kinds of plants you eat, the more diverse and resilient your inner garden becomes. Researchers often suggest aiming for many different plants over the course of a week, something like 30. Vegetables, fruits, beans, whole grains, nuts, seeds, even herbs and spices all count. There's one more powerful tool: fermented foods, like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, which deliver living beneficial bacteria straight to your gut. They're so important that we'll dedicate the whole next episode to them. So here's how to start. Gently. Eat more fiber, but increase it gradually with plenty of water so your gut can adjust comfortably. Eat a wide variety of plants. Add a little fermented food. And ease off the ultra-processed foods and excess sugar. You don't need to be perfect, and you won't change things overnight. Your garden rebuilds over weeks, but it responds faster than you'd think. So tell me in the comments, what's your favorite high-fiber food? I'm always looking for new ideas, and your answer might help someone else. If this opened your eyes, give it a like so it reaches more people. And subscribe, because in episode 2, we dig into fermented foods and the powerful world of probiotics. Feed your garden. Start today. I'll see you in the next one.